Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed Calendly to a website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open your browser to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, I'm using here the Brave browser. Of course, you can use another browser to follow this tutorial. This could be like maybe Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave, like me, Opera, or any other browser could be working. So then you'd like to create a new tab and go to your Calendly. So for me, I already have it open. All I need to do, just go and click on here. And all we need to do after opening the calendar, you would like to create an event or calendar or whatever you want. So for me, I have two already here, but if you want to, just go and click at create or create here a new event or click at getting started and follow what are they saying. So after creating your event or calendar or whatever, just go here and click at integrations. So here, that's how you actually can integrate Calendly to any website. Or here you can embed Calendly to any website you want. So here you can Calendly for Chrome, for Android apps, for like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Intercom, and even other websites like LinkedIn, like maybe Office, Microsoft Teams, like PayPal, WordPress, Wix, whatever you want. So choose whatever you want here. So of course, some of them you would like to be an admin on that website. So let's just choose an example, WordPress. They will just give you here the tutorial or the steps to do that step by step. So make sure to follow everything they said here, and you will be able to embed a calendar to any website you want. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.